Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka kuri na uhotekeku wa Gachagua gugakorwo in the ballot come 2027, but before turore icio tukorwo tukirora icira riririo ciege itumi cia Eric Wamũmbi kuga we ndarenda gugathurwo come 2027. Eric Wamũmbi niwe wenina giciaca tori andu aingi marakiandika mutambo-ini wa Twitter, akauga ota Judas ni arakorirwo agitikira gukorwo agitongoria impeachment ya Gachagua, na ni undu wa uguo igakorwo iri impossible kuri Wamũmbi kwariria andu makiria kuria mucii kwao Mathira, kuona handu hothe Wamũmbi athie no kugiririo araugiririo, angi makiuga thoni na kuigwa kire guilty ni undu wa ciiko icio cia gutongoria impeachment ya Gachagua nicio ciratuma Wamũmbi etikire kuinuka tene, kuona andu no maririkanaga ati Wamũmbi akire MCA wa kuria Konyu no gwakinya siasa cia 2022 uria Gachagua agikoretwo akirira andu a Mathira ati mahe mwanake uyu giti aikarire ta mubunge riria Gachagua agithiaga national politics ta mutongoria kana ta munini wa mutongoria wa bururi. Macio mothe makonekana ta marimo matumite Wamũmbi akinye haha. Despite all that history na Gachagua giciaca, Wamũmbi ni akorirwo publicly and shamelessly agitongoria impeachment eno ya Gachagua, na ni undu uronekana kumurehera repercussions nyingi muno makiria mucii kuria Mathira na icigirira ciakwo, tondu recently arakorirwo akiugiririo kuria Kirinyaga kuria arekinyitie mathiko-ini. Gachagua ni arakorirwo akirekia miario miruru muno kuri President Ruto hindi akiririkano kia late third president Mwai Kibaki, na gwenda korwo ugithikiriria maria Gachagua arakorirwo akiuga about Gachagua being in the ballot wona gwoka mwaka wa 2027. Cira uyu wake ukire igoti-ini wa impeachment yake ni uroya kahinda kanene, na he is innocent till proven guilty. If at all by 2027 cira ucio ndugukorwo wa murithetio, hau niho uhotekeku wa Gachagua gukorwo in the ballot ukire no ni debate nene muno iragithie na mbere guku nenda-ini. Andu aingi magetikia ati Gachagua ni akuyumiria no camba muingi na korwo kihotana cira-ini uyu wothe wahitukira magoti-ini maria mothe wagithia gukorwo ukihitukira.
Don't tell us about economic growth. Don't tell us about economic survey. Don't tell us the economy has improved from this percentage to this percentage. We want to feel the growth the way we felt it when Kibaki was president. Because there was money in circulation, there was infrastructural development that is feasible, and people say they don't want to be told theories. They want to feel economic growth the way they felt it when Mwai Kibaki was president.